In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a product on Payhip. If you want to remove a product from view without permanently deleting it, Payhip makes that process very simple. Hiding a product is useful when you no longer want it publicly visible in your store, but you may still want to keep the product and its information in your account for later use. In Payhip, this is typically done by archiving the product. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. The dashboard is your main control center, where you can manage your products, sales, customers, and store settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section in the navigation area and click on it. This will take you to your product list, where you can see all the products you currently have in your Payhip store. Take a moment to find the specific product that you want to hide. If you have a lot of products, it may help to scan the list carefully so you choose the correct one before making any changes. Once you've located the product, look for the three-dot menu associated with that item. This is the options menu for the product, and it gives you access to additional actions you can take. Click on the three dots to open that menu. After the menu appears, select the option labeled Archive Product. This is the setting that hides the product from your active store listings. As soon as you click it, Payhip will archive the item, which means it will no longer appear as one of your active products in the same way it did before. That's all you need to do to hide a product on Payhip. Archiving is a helpful option because it allows you to clean up your storefront without fully removing the product from your account. This can be especially useful for seasonal products, older offers, or items you may want to bring back later. As a quick tip, before archiving a product, it's always a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have multiple products with similar names. That small review can help prevent mistakes and save time later. And that's how to hide a product on Payhip quickly and easily.